Craving those irresistible Cheddar Bay Biscuits from Red Lobster? Now you can make them at home anytime you want with this easy copycat recipe that takes just 25 minutes from start to finish. These biscuits are a fan favorite for good reason. They are flaky, savory, cheesy, and extremely buttery. The best part? You can make them whenever the craving strikes, without having to visit a restaurant. To make these delicious biscuits, you will need flour, butter, baking powder, garlic powder, salt, cheddar cheese, whole milk, dried parsley, and onion powder. Most of these ingredients are likely already in your pantry. The process is surprisingly simple and can be broken down into 3 easy steps. First, make the dough in a food processor. It takes just 30 pulses to combine the ingredients. Next, split the dough into 10 biscuits and bake them. Finally, brush the baked biscuits with melted herby butter. This last step is crucial and might be the secret to why these biscuits are so irresistible. What makes these Cheddar Bay biscuits special is the perfect balance of flavors and textures. The cheddar cheese adds a sharp, savory taste, while the garlic and herbs provide aromatic depth. The butter, both in the dough and brushed on top, ensures a rich, moist texture that melts in your mouth. Now that you know how easy it is to make these beloved biscuits at home, why not give the recipe a try? You might find that your homemade version, fresh from the oven, is even better than the restaurant original. Enjoy the satisfaction of creating these delicious Cheddar Bay biscuits in your own kitchen.